Warning, listening to this podcast may result in chronic ambition and some wins. Yo, what's up, beautiful winners? It's Hugo Alonso, and welcome to another episode of Stay Winning. Please help me out. Be sure to follow the podcast on social media and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll be doing a giveaway there soon. The channel name is Stay Winning Podcast. I'll be posting more details on Instagram shortly. Make sure you check it out. You or someone you know might like what I'm giving away. Hey winners, welcome back to another episode. I appreciate your support. I want to share an article that I came across recently, and with the time or everything being so uncertain, I guess is a good way to describe it. I found this article very interesting, especially for you guys because we all want to win here. So again, thanks for tuning in. The article states that in 2021, so last year, the United States of America gained 2.5 million new millionaires. Now, to me, that's very exciting. That provides a lot of hope for us to all keep winning and keep succeeding. So I hope you find the same value from this information. Clearly, a lot of that net worth, though, comes from real estate. You guys know I'm a big believer in real estate. I do believe that if you own real estate, 90% of your problems are no more. So let's tune into some 3 facts that I think will go really good with that new article about the 2.5 million new millionaires. So I've noticed that most of my listeners are millennials. Shout out to all millennials out there. But again, I welcome anyone here that wants to win, everyone that wants to see, or anyone that wants to see me win. And definitely want to see you guys win too. Number 1, the average millennial millionaire has 3 properties. So this actually makes a lot of sense to me. Some properties have increased in value over 40% just in the last 2 to 3 years. So even if down the line there is a housing market crash of 40%, you're probably only going back to 2020 prices, depending on the market. I'm hoping to get property number 3 really soon, but that's a very nice, interesting fact to know. Number 2, 44% of millennial millionaires are based in California, which I can totally see. I mean, the median property where I'm located in Orange County is $1.2 million. And then, we have a lot of tech jobs out here in Silicon Valley, and they're all entry-level jobs that start at 6 figures. So very, very believable. But don't let your location stop you from moving forward. Just some information I wanted to share. And then the third one here is the average age of a first-time millionaire is 37. So don't let social media make you believe that everyone's a millionaire at 25. The only person you should be comparing yourself to or competing with is the person that you were yesterday. So everyone's on a different timeline. And again, that's just the average age. So some people do it before, some people do it after. But I find that very motivating. So thank you for tuning in, winners. Stay winning. Winners, if you're finding value to the information I am sharing on this podcast, please help me out and subscribe, share, download, and tell your friends. This podcast is new, so if you're feeling extra kind, give me a rating and leave me a review. I can definitely use your help to stay winning. This episode is brought to you by our sponsor, Anchor. Anchor is the easiest way for you to make a podcast. It's free. There are creation tools that allow you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone. Anchor will distribute your podcast for you. That way it can be heard on Spotify, Apple Podcast, and many more. You can even make money from your podcast, and there's no minimum audience requirement. It's everything you need to make a podcast all in one place. Download the free Anchor app or go to anchor.fm to get started today. This show is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. It's not intended as personal financial advice. Before making any financial decision, please do your due diligence and consult a financial advisor as needed.